Composition of the Constituent Assembly. The total strength of the Constituent Assembly was to be 389. 296 seats were allotted to British India and 93 states to be princely states. Each province and princely state were to be allotted seats in proportion to the respective population. Seats to each British province were to be divided among the Muslims, Sikhs, and general. Voting was to be held by the method of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. The members from princely states were to be nominated by the heads of the princely states. Therefore, the Constituent Assembly was partly elected and partly nominated. Although the Constituent Assembly was not directly elected by the people of India on the basis of adult franchise, the Assembly comprised representative of all sections of Indian society. First meeting of Constituent Assembly was held on December 9, 1946. Muslim League boycotted the Constituent Assembly. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha, the senior-most member of the Assembly, was elected as the temporary president of the Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the permanent president of the Assembly. Sri B.N. Rao was appointed as the legal advisor to the Assembly. An objective resolution was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru on December 13, 1946, which later became the preamble of the Constitution. On the 26th November 1949, the Constitution was declared as passed after the President of the Assembly signed the document. Thus, on 26th November 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted. The commencement of the Constitution began on 26 January 1950. Provisions relating to citizenship, elections, provisional parliament and temporary provisions became effective from 26 November 1949. On January 24, 1950, the Constituent Assembly held its final session. It had constituted as a provisional parliament from 26 January 1950 till the formation of new parliament in May 1952. First draft Constitution of India was published in February 1948. It was prepared by Sir B.N. Rao, Constitutional Advisor to the Constituent Assembly. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is considered the father of the Indian Constitution. The Constituent Assembly took almost 3 years, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft the Constitution for independent India. It held 11 sessions covering a total of 165 days.